Okay, so this lesson is on light years. This activity is called How Old Is That Light? And the reason it's called How Old Is That Light is I want to show you a model of why we use a light year in outer space. Okay, so this little model I've just drawn is the E is planet Earth, and that little star, yellow, is a star that's about 4 light years away. So I want to describe to you guys how and why we see into the past anytime you look at a star. So this star is 4 light years away, which means if you could travel the speed of light from Earth to the star, it would take you 4 years to get there. It is that far away if you could travel the speed of light. So what is the speed of light? The speed of light, if you could run the speed of light in 1 year, is you would go 6 trillion miles. Okay, so that's about 1 million. There you go. That right there is 6 trillion miles. That's how far 1 light year is, and that would be 1 light year. So if I'm 4 light years away, I'm about 24 trillion miles away. We don't like writing the number 24 trillion, so instead we call it a light year. So when I say we're 4 light years away, if I could travel the speed of light, it's going to take me 4 years to get to Earth. So here's the crazy part, and this is the reason you're looking into the past. Say it's the year 2014. That light is going to travel the speed of light towards Earth, and there's a little person standing on Earth. Okay? By the time it reaches us, because it's 4 light years away, we're not going to see that star's light until about 2018. That's when we're going to see that light from 2014. Another way to put it, and I'll show you right now, is if it was present day. So say it was present day and it's 2017. So let me erase that. All right. So now it's 2017. When I view that star that is 4 light years away, I'm not looking at that star from the year 2017. Nope. It took 4 light years for that star's light to finally reach Earth, which means it left that star in the year 2013. So when I'm looking at that star in the night sky tonight, I'm seeing that star as it existed in the year 2013. And that is how big space is. It even takes light time to travel across it. So we never get an up-to-date picture of any of the stars. Even our own star is 8 minutes away traveling the speed of light. So if you looked at the star right now and it's 12 o'clock p.m., you're really seeing our sun at 11:52. That's how far away it is. It even takes light, that distance, that time to travel. So I'm going to go back to our paper. So this paper explains that exact concept of light taking large amounts of time to travel big distances. And we call it a light year. So a light year is a measurement of distance. So what I would do if I was you guys, I would write light year equals distance. Okay, I want you to know that a light year is a measurement of distance. Now there's some information I want you guys to underline. Distances distances in space are incredibly large. So we had to come up with a new measurement called a light year. And we abbreviate it with an LY, typically. Okay, and this kind of goes over that little concept I just taught you about our sun being 8 minutes away and why we see the Earth. So when I ask you this question, the sun is 150,000 kilometers away, which is about 93 million miles. Why is the light from the sun about 8 minutes old when it reaches your eye? It's because of the distance. The distance that light had to travel. It's not instantaneous like it appears in our classroom when I shine a laser, because it's real close distances there. So we're going to practice something with this little skill set right here where you have to calculate what year did that star leave. However, Mr. Lambert made some errors. I forgot to update the year to 2017, so you need to know that it is the year 2017, so I just scratched that out. And this little example is wrong because I didn't update the year. So I'm going to show you using the computer here what I mean. All right. So if it is the year 2017 and I want to know If the North Star is 360 light years away, it takes 360 years to get to us. So, what year was it when the North Star's light left? All you do is you take our current year, 2017, minus how many light years away it is, and you get a math problem. And to solve that, all you do is just subtract. And when I solve that number, I get it left 1657. That is the year in which the North Star's light left Earth. Okay, so your job is to do that exact same task with these other stars, but now I've thrown in some decimals in there, so 5.7 light years away, 275 light years away. There's even some stars that are more than 900 light years away, which means when you look at that star, you're looking 900 years into the past. So I'd like you guys to complete this on your own, and when you're finished with this paper, it's going to go on page 106 in your notebook. There's not going to be anything behind it, so you can glue it all the way down.